Hi guys, I just wanted to quickly show you my Harvest installation on my Android phone. Um, I I just installed the package and the Python requirements. I have added my configuration file. Now I want to try to start my polars. So I use Termux as a bash on my Android phone. And now I will run manager start, and I have two polars. Let's see if they will start. So it says not running, but this can happen sometimes on smaller devices. So I will ask for the status one more time. Now it says they're running. So I have two polars and they're running. I can check the logs to see that they're actually doing some work. Let's open one of the loggers with tail -f. And here are the log files. So last thing I want to do, unfortunately I can't, because of networking connections, my phone is actually connected to a hotspot and not actually on the exact same network as my laptop. So I can't pull the data. But what I will do, I will open the Prometheus exporter, which provides some information in a web page. So I will open a browser and I will navigate to localhost and then the port address of my Prometheus exporter. So let's give it a try. This should give me this is the information page by the Prometheus exporter. It gives you some basic information, but also the list of the counters that you are getting. There we go. So everything is present. This is just a human-friendly page. I can also open the actual metrics, which are those. Let's see. So seems like Harvest is running on Android. That's nice. See you next time.